guys, it's Akshita from Being Creative. Welcome back to the Faux Calligraphy series. I'm so glad you are motivated to get better at faux calligraphy. It's truly an art form. Anyways, today I will be showing you how to develop your faux calligraphy alphabet. Perfecting your alphabet is the key to getting better at faux calligraphy. The letters are the basics, and they are the ones that form your words. Once you form and develop your letters and stick to them, everything else becomes way easier. So today I will be showing you how to develop your alphabet from strokes and then how to use those basic strokes to form letters and then words. So the pens that I usually use for lettering are the Tombows dual brush pens. Faux calligraphy does not use the brush tip, so I will not be using this in my video. Instead, you want to use any fine line or monoline pen. I will be using the bullet tip at the other end of the dual brush pen. A lot of people don't know where to begin when starting out with calligraphy. What I found is that each letter in your alphabet can be broken down into specific strokes. While everyone has a different style, it is these strokes that make up the calligraphy fundamentals. So here are some basic strokes that you can use. If it doesn't sound believable at first, here I'm demonstrating how letters can be formed. I'm going to show you the strokes that I use to form my calligraphy alphabet. These are just the basic strokes, and I have excluded any extra embellishments that I add to my letters. I want you to see that the letter begins to form after each stroke. Also notice that I pick up my pen after each stroke. I feel that picking up your pen allows you to not be rushed, and you have a little breathing room. You can use my alphabet as a guideline, and as you become more and more experienced, you can start to develop your own. That is the ultimate goal. By breaking down your letters into strokes, not only are you more consistent, but you catch on to faux calligraphy faster. Also, with this practice, you can begin to recognize that in other fonts, these same basic strokes are applied. I also want you to see that I add the downstroke for every letter after I finish all the letters. Adding the downstroke after each stroke is acceptable, but it is pretty custom to finish your outline and then add the details. If you add the downstrokes afterwards, you can decide in which direction to put them, based on how much room you have between your letters. As you can see, I put the downstrokes for the O on the right side, while the ones for the P were on the left. Also, here I am not going to be filling in my downstrokes. You can if you want though, it's just a stylistic choice. The next step after you have finalized the strokes that make up your alphabet is to finally connect them. At first, I recommend that you break down each word that you plan to write into strokes. This way, you will get the hang of connecting your letters. Remember to go slow and steady, as there is no need to go fast, and you can pick up your pen whenever you want. As you become more and more experienced, you can start to write words without breaking down your strokes. Here, I am just going to show you my real-time lettering. If you want, you can practice with me. I just want you to notice how I go really slow and really careful. The ultimate goal is to make your letters the way you want, and not to be fast. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.